All right, I've sent instructions to Mr. Crystal. Are you on Rosenberg? Okay. All right, so Mr. Crystal, are you connected to audio?
Yes, I can hear you now. Thank you.
Okay, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Alan David Crystal. I have file number 22-20896FH. I have Dave Goldstein on behalf of Mr. Crystal, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time scheduled for a pretrial conference in this matter. Mr. Goldstein, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, Mr. Sneed and I have been doing some negotiating, but we have been unsuccessful in resolving the matter, so I think we need to set it for trial.
Okay, so how many days do you expect this trial to last?
2 days at the most.
Not an exceptionally older file. So Ms. Adams, I'm looking for a 2-day trial date, probably in September, October, possibly. Yeah, October better for you, Mr. Goldstein?
Either one, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Myers, do you need to speak with your client today?
No, Judge. We're ready to go on the record. Although I believe that Ms. Meir just sent.
Hold on. I didn't want to go to your case yet. I just wanted to know if you need a breakout room so I could pop in there. Hold on, I'll call it. All right. Well, I'm sorry, Ms. Adams.
That's okay. We could start one on Wednesday, September 13th.
That should work.
All right, so September 14 of 23, Wednesday trial dates start at 10:30 in the morning.
And Judge, that was the 13th.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
But it was a Wednesday?
Yes.
Yes.
I got part of it right then. All right, so that would start at 10:30 in the morning, but on Thursday and Friday, it would start at 9. And if we're doing September 13th trial date, I'm going to do, Mr. Goldstein, are you available on September 6th for a pre-trial?
I believe so, Your Honor. Yes.
All right, so I will set September 6th as the deadline for all motions, motion and limines, jury instructions, and voir dire questions will be due as well on that day. And we can discuss any issues we have at that time. So, Mr. Crystal. Okay, so maximum penalty on this offense is 15. All right, and was it my understanding, Mr. Goldstein, a 4th degree was offered with no upfront jail for Mr. Crystal?
Yes, Your Honor. Just so the court is aware, the hang up, of course, was the SORA registration.
Okay. All right. Mr. Crystal, I don't know anything about the case, so I'm not making a judgment one way or the other, but understand if you're convicted at the time of trial, you will be remanded to custody. So on the off chance, you should prepare for that. All right. So I filled out a scheduling order, Mr. Goldstein, and we will send this out. And Mr. Crystal, we'll see you back for pre-trial on September 6th and for trial on September 13th. All right. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Crystal.
Thank
you. All right, Mr. Goldstein, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus
Zachary Rosenberg.
And Ron Rosenberg. Okay, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Zachary David Rosenberg, file number 23-21322FH, I have Dave Goldstein appearing on behalf of Mr. Rosenberg, and I have Isaac Sneed, no, I'm sorry, I have Douglas Hartog
Yeah.
appearing on behalf of the prosecutor's office. So, Mr. Goldstein, how do you wish to proceed today on behalf of Mr. Rosenberg?
Your Honor, Mr. Hartung and I have pretty much resolved the matter as far as a plea agreement is concerned. However, there are sentencing issues I would like to discuss with the court before we enter the plea. So I'd like to set up a Cobbs conference at the court's convenience.
All right, Mr. Goldstein, do you have some things to take care of in front of Judge Olsaver at all?
Today? No, Your Honor.
Yes.
I do have other matters, but not in front of Judge Olsaver.
Okay, I could, if you both would like, I could set this over till 10:30 or 11 for a bench conference.
Your Honor, I've got other matters in other courts. I don't think I'll be available. And I think Mr.
Okay.
Hartung indicated he had a busy morning this morning also.
Okay, so Ms. Adams, do I have any time tomorrow morning?
I could do Friday, Your Honor, I could do Friday morning.
Mr. Hartung, are you available at 8 o'clock on Friday morning?
I'm available at 8 o'clock on Friday.
Okay, so Mr. Rosenberg, I'm going to set this over to May 12 at 8 a.m. in the morning. And just zoom back in, because my notice won't make it to you in time. Or the stipend order that Mr. Goldstein and Mr. Hartung will do. But we'll see you back on May 12 at 8 a.m. in the morning. All right, Mr. Rosenberg? I was looking at my Zoom. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, you can zoom in or you can come in person.
Okay.
So whatever you would like, all right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Joshua Dexter Rowley, file number 23-21263FH. I have Michael Dagger Margosian appearing on behalf of Mr. Rowley, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Mr. Dagger Margosian, this is the date and time set for a pretrial. How would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, good morning. Michael Dagger Margosian for Mr. Rowley. Your Honor, there is a plea offer in place at this time. Mr. Rowley will accept that. The plea will be to count one as charged in an agreement for no habituals to be added to that. Second, there's a sentencing agreement for no upfront jail, and any jail would be deferred.
Okay. All right, is that a correct recitation of the plea, Mr. Sneed?
I just want to specify that sentencing agreement's a Cobbs agreement, not a Killebrew agreement.
That was a Cobbs agreement.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Sneed, I don't know if you can move your microphone or something because you're very faint. All right. Okay, so Mr. Rowley, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, can you state your full name for the record?
Joshua Dexter Rowley.
Okay, you can put your hand down. So, Mr. Rowley, you've heard the statement of your attorney and the prosecuting attorney is that your intention to plead guilty to count one police officer fleeing third degree, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 5 years in prison and or a $5,000 fine. The Secretary of State will or shall suspend your operator or chauffeur's license not for a period of not to exceed 5 years. So is it your intention to plead guilty to that count?
Yes.
All right. Now, are you satisfied with Mr. Dagger Margosian as your attorney and the advice that he has given you?
Yes, ma'am.
Neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed a possible sentence with the court other than the Cobbs agreement to no upfront jail. Is that correct, Mr. Sneed
Yes, Your Honor.
and Mr. Dagger Margosian?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that correct as far as you're aware, Mr. Rowley?
Yeah.
Okay. If a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial, not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you were convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you, sir?
Understand.
Do you have any questions? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. How do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about November 1 of 2022 in the city of Tecumseh in the county of Lenawee that you did commit the offense of police officer fleeing third degree? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, so we're kind of getting some distortion. So if at all possible, could you kind of move the phone a little bit closer to you so we're picking up the audio better? All right, so guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Oh, excellent. Thank you. Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand that if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Mr. Steen?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Dagger-Margosian?
None.
Okay. Has your attorney promised you any particular sentence or estimated what your sentence will be other than the no upfront jail or a deferred jail term?
To probation, and he told me my guy. Yes.
Okay, okay. Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes.
All right, so Mr. Rowley, on November 1 of 2022, were you operating a motor vehicle in city of Tecumseh in the county of Lenawee?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and at the time you came in contact with the Tecumseh police officer, Randy Escott, was it daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
Okay, and so did the police officer pull behind you and turn his lights on?
Yes.
Okay, and by those lights being turned on, were you aware that it was a police officer behind you?
Yes, ma'am.
And by him turning his lights on and being behind you, did you understand that he meant for you to pull over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and were you able to see the car or just the lights?
I seen the car too, the lights.
Okay, so you knew it was a police car?
Yes.
Okay, and instead of pulling over, did you actually speed up?
Yes.
And then you sped up, and would you agree that you were driving over the speed limit, which was 35 miles per hour at that time?
Yes.
Okay, and did you eventually pull over or did you get in an accident or?
I ran out of gas.
Okay, Mr. Sneed, are you satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Mr. Sneed
Yes, thank you.
and Mr. Dagger-Margosian?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Except the plea has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. This court has made a Cobbs agreement regarding upfront sentencing, but other than that, has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them. I'm going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. Mr. Dagger-Margosian, I was going to set this for sentencing on June 29 at 8:15 in the morning. Are you available that day?
June 29. June 29 is good. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Rowley, I will set this for sentencing on June 29 at 8:15. You have two choices. You can appear in person, or you can agree to appear via Zoom. How would you like to appear for sentencing?
Zoom, please.
Okay, so I will have that be Zoom sentencing. Now, Mr. Rowley, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Holly from the Michigan Department of Corrections. She's going to give you some instructions. One will be that you're going to need to fill out a packet. You're going to have to come meet with them. Make sure that you actually show up and meet with them. Be surprised how many people don't. And that when you meet with them, you're truthful about your background and also the events that occurred. The Michigan Department of Corrections will prepare a pre-sentence report. We'll provide a copy of that to Mr. Dagger-Margosian. He'll review with you that document before sentencing. We'll see you back on June 29th at 8:15. So I've opened the breakout room. Ms. Holly and Mr. Denner, or Mr. Rowley, you can join that breakout room.
Thank you.
Dennis.
So